If you want to know how I got this from a piece that was literally sitting in the backyard filled with spiderweb, as you see, into this gorgeous piece of chocolate brown, follow along. Hello everyone and welcome to Furniture _ Makeover. This is Noor. I will be showing you how I turned this piece that I had in the backyard. It was a bar table with 2 bar stools. We didn't use it except for parties, and it just was collecting dust and spiderweb. It was disgusting. So I made it over completely, turned it into something beautiful, and now it is rehomed already. But let me show you how I started and finished this process. Back to the piece. This is how I have it. It is filled with spiders and spiderweb and so much dust. It literally looks white when in fact it is brown. I had to just digest what I need to do and suck it up and start working. As you see, I put gloves on and use the broom to remove every visible piece of dirt that I can actually sweep it out, and use the air blower to remove whatever I got loose. That way I give myself less to do when I scrub it with warm water and soap. This is where I realized that water and soap was not enough, and I needed to bring a blade to scrub out the other stuck dirt and paint on the top of this cabinet. As I mentioned, there were also 2 bar stools, which were not in bad shape from the wood part, but the seat was really damaged, so I really had to refabricate it, which was not a problem. I'll show you in the next clip. Painting a piece like this usually requires a lot more work. You'll need to sand it, prime it, paint it, seal it. But I am going to be using Beyond Paint, which cuts down the process in more than half. All I need to do is clean it, and this piece was horrible. If I did not need to do that much cleaning, I would have been halfway done. After you clean it, you apply the paint and you're done. Maybe you'll apply 2 coats, 3 coats if needed, but you don't need to sand it, you don't need to prime it, and you don't need to strip it. You don't need to do anything. You just need to apply Beyond Paint. As you see, just a little bit of paint can go a long way, and this is a beautiful example of that. As you see, the results are absolutely beautiful. I did not expect this because this is a huge piece, but I was able to sell it in 2 days, and I am just so proud of how it turned out. I cannot believe that a piece that once was trashed and hosted many spiders turned out to be this gorgeous piece of art. Follow me at furniture_makeover to see more transformations like this.